Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to do the photo swipe trend that's all over TikTok. So let's get into it. First of all, open TikTok. Click on the plus button to open the camera. In the bottom right corner, click on Uploads. Tap on Select Multiple at the bottom left corner if you want to select multiple photos. Select the images you want in your slideshow, then click Next. Click Switch to photo mode if it's not on photo mode already. Select the sound bar from the top of the screen to pick a background song. Click the text button in the top right corner to type out song lyrics or captions for each photo. Tap Next and post as you normally would. Finally, click on Post at the bottom right of the screen to post it on TikTok. And that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.